Morning folks, welcome to Budgie's Bus. As you can see, we're out in the car today. The reason is that the roads are really busy, and what we want to show you is a free parkup, which is about 5 minutes away from where we live, and it's a bit silly taking a 6-ton motorhome out for a 5-minute drive up the road. So bear with us. If you like this video, please put some comments in the bottom asking us to do some more. There's quite a few free or even cheap parkups around where we live, and we'd just like to share them with you. If you're interested, give us a like, just say yes in the comments, and we'll get out and do a couple of these a week for you. So catch you later. Bye for now.